Could a machine outsmart the world's top math champions? In July 2025, the International Mathematical Olympiad in Australia became history. Google DeepMind's Gemini Deep Think solved 5 out of 6 Olympiad problems. Scoring 35 out of 42 points earned this AI an official gold medal, just like top human competitors. Gemini worked under the same rules and tight time limits as everyone else. But here's the wild part. It solved problems in plain language, wrote detailed step-by-step proofs, and impressed real IMO judges with creativity, clarity, and rigorous reasoning. Sometimes the AI picked clever, elegant approaches even the smartest students missed. How did it do this? Gemini Deep Think learned from thousands of top math proofs, used advanced reinforcement learning, and ran many solution ideas at once to pick the best path. Today, AI models like Gemini and AlphaProof help real mathematicians find hidden patterns, create new conjectures, and supercharge research. The math world is changing fast, with humans and AI teaming up to discover more, faster than ever before. Ready for a future where math breakthroughs happen at lightning speed? Stay tuned for more stories where technology transforms our understanding.